Meaning of domain.
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 Domain. The term domain generally refers to a specific area of knowledge or expertise, often represented by a distinct web address or email address. In computing, it typically refers to a group of computers or devices that share a common network and set of protocols, and is used to organize and control access to resources. In mathematics, a domain refers to the complete set of possible values for a variable in a function. Essentially, a domain is a defined scope or boundary within which certain rules, systems, or functions operate.